Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the new features and updates that have been released in the Salesforce Spring 21 release. The first feature we are going to be looking at is a feature that many are probably familiar with and will be very relieved that it is finally here, and that is manual sharing in Lightning. If you are a long-time user of Salesforce, you will know that manual sharing, which is the ability to grant one-off access to records to users and groups of users, was a feature that was only available in Classic. There was then an app that you could download from the App Exchange to use manual sharing in Lightning, but now it will be available as standard in your Lightning org. Just navigate to your record and then use the sharing button to grant that extra access. But remember, it will only be available if the object's organization-wide default is set to public read-only or private. The next feature we are going to talk about is another feature that was originally in Classic, but has now been implemented in Lightning, and that is Lightning email templates. Now, the templates themselves are nothing new, but the big change is that you can now use your Lightning email templates in automations. Before the Spring 21 release, you still had to use your classic email templates if you wanted to use emails in any automation. Now you can select from your Lightning email templates and add them into your flows, processes, and other automations. Another change to Lightning email templates is that you can now add them into packages and change sets, allowing you to test your emails in your sandboxes and then seamlessly move them into your production organization. The final feature we are going to talk about is a feature that we have mentioned in previous videos and blogs, and that is walkthroughs in in-app guidance. We can now create guidance for the entire process of creating, editing, and cloning records. This means that we can provide guidance for the entire process and support our users as much as possible. We can also embed images and animated GIFs in our floating prompts. In-app guidance and walkthroughs has seen some huge improvements in the most recent releases. If you are interested, check out our blogs and videos on both features. Thanks for watching. See you next time.